Okay, so what you see here is our solution to the gaps alongside where the floor shrank away over the years of being out of the boat. So what we basically did is we cut a little bit of an angle into these 2x4s and then just knocked them down, and they spread it enough on either side for us to, you know, close that gap up. So what we'll do is squeeze some thickened resin between the gaps and place these back down, and then we'll leave them there until we've got it tabbed back in, because there's no way that thickened resin is just gonna hold it. So we gotta tab it in too. All right. Okay, now that I got that lined up, gotta put some weight on this to drop this down. This thing is in the way. Damn it. I need to move that because I don't want to drill more holes.
Okay. What are you gonna put on it?
I'm gonna put another
piece of wood?
Screw. Okay. See, that's nice and flush now. Open this edge. I know this whole thing is lower than it originally was, but that's just gonna help us shed water quicker.
What?
So I'm not worried about that. Okay, so that's our mark. Okay, see now that holds it in line, kinda, little bit, maybe.
Yep.
So this is what I was trying to accomplish here. And we get a nice seam coming across the top, and it looks nice and level now. It looks better. So we're gonna go and see what needs to be done for the other side, if anything, and
This.
keep moving. We're gonna screw these two together because these line up pretty good enough, and then I need to try to get them to line up better with this one. Yes, these line up, so I just unifying them so that they stay together while I try to get it to meet up with this.
That was the magic screw.
Yep, I think that is acceptable. Ooh, that's smooth.
Is it gonna stay here?
Yeah. Yes, we're raising the floor by 4 inches, so.
Oh, really?
No, I'm joking. Okay, so here you can see I've got both sides ready for tobbing. So I got both sides ready for tobbing, and I got back here ready for a coat of gel coat. I haven't cut the tobbing yet, and it's really hot, so way too hot to do any glassing right now. So I'm gonna spend my time putting some gel coat here and then prepping the glass for the tobbing, and then later on, once it cools off in a couple hours, I'll do, or at least begin the tobbing in here. Alright. I gotta say, I'm really proud of how flat this transom looks just by grinding with the grinder. Like, no orbital sander, nothing, just the grinder. I'm gonna put a straight edge on it as soon as this gel coat dries, so we could really look at what we're dealing with here for fairing, but I think it's really damn good. Alright, here we have it. Starboard side done. All those little blotchy spots you see is not air bubbles. That's just where a little bit of the gel coat was left. I guess just for the sake of time I was trying to sand this quickly and I didn't get 100% of the gel coat off. So yeah, those white areas are just residual gel coat. Looks really good all the way around to here. So I've yet to explain what this contraption here is. So basically what I had was the lip of the floor was a little too low compared to where it used to be. So I kind of screwed it in down there. You can see the 3 screw holes. And then I screwed a block on it so I could hit up on it, although I didn't end up needing that in the end. And then I screwed into the end grain from the top of the gunnel as close to the side of the hull as possible to stop from, you know, pulling the gunnel down as much as I could, even though it definitely did pull the gunnel down. So as I screwed into the top of this wood, it raises the floor. And I don't know if you all noticed, but we had this ledge of putty from when the floor was originally installed, and I wedged this 2x4 onto the other 2x4 so that it could catch the ledge once I raise it high enough to the correct height. So that's what we did, and it worked out, and we got it tapped in. It's looking really good. I'm gonna take it off for you all now. It should be nice and strong now that it's tapped in. It shouldn't require any additional support. Perfecto. Solid as a rock.